Morning, everyone. Today we are cleaning up that office where I run out of room in the parking lot. My buddy of mine is showing up with a skid steer here shortly. I'm in the back right now just cleaning everything up while I'm waiting for him. But we're gonna get this front all pushed up and everything and get all the snow out of my way before the next storm, which is hitting in 3 days. So I'm not sure how much we're gonna get, but the way it's been going, I couldn't even guess what we're gonna have. So it's gonna be another one of 3-day storms like we've been getting, but the temperatures are starting to change. They're not around 0 anymore. They're gonna be up in the 20s, near 30s, so we're getting closer to spring, so we're getting a little bit of warmer weather. But we are also going to get, before that storm hits, a day of around 0. So hang on, things are going to change really fast here. Okay, my buddy showed up with a skid steer. I've been jumping in and out, telling him what I wanted on it, and he's struggling a little bit with it. His skid steer's got tracks on it because he just brought it in from the farm, and he has to have the steel tracks on it so they don't get buried in their barnyards there. So it's nice to have friends with bigger toys than I have. And I have a couple friends with skid steers, and this guy I'm helping out a little bit. You could use the extra money, and I need the help, so it's a kind of a win-win situation for everybody. He quoted me a price of how much he wanted for this job, but I'm going to pay him more than what he's asking for because he's worth more than what he's asking for. So he doesn't do this on a regular basis, so he doesn't know the prices that he should be charging, but I appreciate what he's doing for me, so I'm going to give him extra money for it. And that takes care of this parking lot. It turned out really, really nice. And I have enough room now for probably 2 to 3 more snowstorms. And hopefully that'll get us through the rest of the season. We could have spent more time on this, doing a lot more cleaning up, but we got what we need to get done. Because you can get carried away on this stuff real easy, real fast. Spend a whole lot of time here. So that takes care of this project, which is a pretty good sized project. And yeah, if you got the equipment, it's no big deal, but I don't have the equipment because I have no place to put it, or I would never use it except for a couple times through the winter, so it's not even cost effective for me to have something like that. It'd be nice to have it, but I don't need it. So that is going to be the end of my video for today. I thank you for watching and subscribing. If you could check out the links in the description box below, I'd be greatly appreciated. Everybody have a good evening, and we will see you on the next one.